absolutely amazing. Today I'm heading to Hobby Lobby. It is their first day of their fall decorations clearance sale. It's 80% off today. I found so many good stuff. I cannot wait to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you went and what did you score.
When I walked in, I was very excited. Florals, pumpkins, and pigs galore. Look at these Raydon pillows. It's crazy, it's 80% off. Normally I would not even pay half off for it, to be honest with you guys. I'm cheap. As you can see here, tableware is not part of the 80%, but hopefully soon. You guys, look at that pumpkin patch sign. It is huge. There are signs galore. So beautiful. Look at this galvanized bucket. It is so nice. I love it. You know, you guys, some of these stuff, if you don't like how it looks or the same, spray paint goes a long way. You can spray paint pretty much anything and it will completely change the outlook of it. Like these right here. These are so beautiful, but I wouldn't leave it like this. I would probably sand it down and either restain it or spray paint it to like a white color. This mini tray is so cute. I would also repaint that too. I am so in love with these cake stands. Look how pretty it is. I wouldn't keep it that color. I would paint it black or white or even yellow. Look at that glass pumpkin. It's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. Would you look at those candle pedestals? Look how beautiful they are. I've always wanted them, but I just couldn't pay the price for it. Not even half of that. Ridiculous. So beautiful, you guys. You can also restain that too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will show you guys what I actually bought from this shopping trip, so stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.